Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE Rave 3S speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage all the LED light effects. So, at first in our SOUNDCORE application we have to tap on light here, and with this slider we can increase or decrease the brightness of our LED lights. Here we can disable the LED lights or enable them back. With the mode, we can switch between all the modes that we have in the presets. As you can see, we have some of them. And apart from that, we have custom effect. We can tap on them and name them. Here we can enable top light or bottom light. Here, as you can see, we have lights from the top to bottom and lights from the bottom to top. We can switch between that. Here, bottom light can do something like that, We can just create our own designs. I'm not a designer, so I won't tell you how to do a great custom preset, but you can do what you want. And that's it for the LED lights. Goodbye!